everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very quick unboxing for you guys. I ordered a bag from the Coach outlet store a few days ago and it arrived today. So I wanted to share with you all what I snagged from their website. They have some amazing bags on their bag. I will put the link down below so you can go and check them out. Just because it's on the outlet doesn't mean it's any less beautiful or quality than the regular store. It just means it's like designs that they are kind of moving out of and they offer for a very fantastic price. For instance, this one back here, this is an outlet bag from the Coach store that I went to Potomac Mills and got, and I use that all the time. It's fantastic. So anyways, without any ado, here it is here. Okay, I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to open it with you guys, so just filming really quick this afternoon. I've got kids from all around the neighborhood in my backyard with all my kids. My husband just came home from work, so I had to kind of like steal away. Wearing a new top that I got from Amazon and show you guys. See, pretty. So I just thought I'd show you guys the bag. So they do wrap it nicely. So here it is, all wrapped up in the foam. So here it is here. So this is the Jade Messenger bag in black. Now this is a pebbled leather here, and then this is a smooth leather on this part right here. Really pretty gold hardware. It has a zipper on the back. So just having a look. Everything looks good. It looked a little crooked. I might have to just play around with this and see. Could just be out of whack from being packaged, but there it is there. So I wanted a nice evening bag, a nice black evening bag that still fit all my things in. And from the reviews that I saw on this one online so far, there weren't many, but a couple that I saw, this looked really good. So let me just show you what the inside is like. Okay, so it does have a micro suede. This is like a burgundy on the inside there. Gold hardware, there's the Coach symbol right there. Okay, lots of packaging for this. I liked the tabby, the small tabby one, but it was just a little bit too small. So I wanted to, oh, this is nice and roomy. So there it is inside there. So let me grab my stuff that I regularly put in here and I'll just do a quick packing and I'll show you how it all fits. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I do have another bag that I've been using that I haven't actually shown you guys yet on my channel. I'll do a review or reveal of that in a little bit, maybe tomorrow. But for now, let me just take everything out. Okay, so this bag actually does come with two straps. So it comes with this shorter strap that has a nice kind of detail there that I thought was really pretty. Okay, and the close it, you just put this in here like this, slide it down. Okay, and that closes it up. And then it also comes with an adjustable crossbody strap as well. I'm going to plan on carrying it like this anyway, kind of over my shoulder. I like that. I find that more comfortable than crossbody. I mean, it's nice to have that option. So real quick, has a zipper on the back here. Let's check that zipper. Nice zipper. Has that burgundy, kind of browny burgundy interior in there as well. And then the inside, so you just kind of pull this tab to get inside. There's a pocket at the front here that's leather on the inside, and then on the outer side of this pocket is the it's hard to show you, but is the suede as well. You can see there we go. So it's just kind of like this micro suede kind of there as well. And then on the inside there's one other pocket right here, and then there's the Coach tab right there that's like the same color as the lining. Okay, so real quick, I have a mini pochette, key pouch, Rosalie coin purse, my lip gloss and lip balm, and a mask. This is my daughter's mask. Mine's in the car. This is a little coin purse with a foldable brush and stuff. So I'll pop that. I'll try what that looks like in there too. So okay, so here we go. We got my mini pochette, wallet, key pouch, mini coin purse with my hairbrush and stuff in there, lip products I'll pop in that back pocket, and then like that, and then my mask I'll just pop that in the back there too. So yeah, that I mean, there is heaps of room in there for even more stuff if I wanted to. Otherwise, it may get a little heavy because, you know, it's leather. But, oh, that's so cute. And then my phone would probably just go maybe in this back pocket back here. I'm just filming with it at the moment, but it would probably fit in there. I have an iPhone 11 Pro. I'd say it'd fit in there, or I could put it in this, or I could put it in this front pocket here. I know it would fit there as well. So, ooh, this is really pretty. Really, really nice. So this can be casual. I could even wear it with what I'm wearing right now. And it would go really, really nice. All right, guys, what do you think? I think this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I know I wasn't going to buy any other bags, but yeah, this one, I went to the outlet store at Potomac Mills and they didn't have it in the store. So I was like, ooh, so I went home and ordered it online and had it delivered the next day. The online store now takes Klarna. So if you know what Klarna is, it's a kind of like Afterpay where it splits the payments up into 4 different bi-weekly payments. So you pay the first one when you make the purchase and then you pay it off in the next 3 payments over, each one is 2 weeks apart. So that's really good. It's bad for me because it means I can get more bags that I don't need, but it's really good for if you don't have the money straight away to purchase bags or items, because then you can split it up. It's great. I think it's a really good option. I'm glad they have it. More shops are getting that these days. So this is really, really pretty. I love it so much. Ooh. Okay, there we go, guys. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. I'm kind of getting a bit slammed with the logarithm these days, so I would love for my videos to kind of get out there a little bit more. So if you could just give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the content. If you have any comments, pop them below because I'd love to hear from you guys. If you didn't enjoy the video, please tell me why too, so I can, you know, look at improving. And for future videos, let me know what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.